Good morning, everybody. I'm Deyu, and today I'm filming my first daily routine. So I'm gonna show you what I eat, how I train, and what my day looks like. So if you like this video, leave a like, and let's start this beautiful day. And now I'm gonna eat my breakfast, which is protein powder with oats. I will put 70 grams of oats. Okay, that's enough. And then now we're just gonna put some water on my oats. That's enough. And now I'm gonna put in here for 2 minutes and a half. Just start and we'll wait. And now I'm waiting for it to cool down, and then I'll put protein in here. Now I'm just gonna put my protein powder. I'm gonna put all because I have no left. So I think that's it. It's so hard to pull, like, because I'm recording this video and yeah, it's fine. And now we are just mixing this beautiful bowl of oats until yeah, guys. So if you have more ideas, just write below in the comments. Okay, I actually like this protein powder because it's not bad quality; it's a good quality. So I recommend this protein powder. Okay, ready to eat. Now, guys, I'm gonna eat my oats. So I will see you after. Well, guys, now I'm doing some English because I want to improve my English. So, yeah, I will see you later. So, guys, I have finished my English studying, and now I will do a handstand training. So, I will see you there. So, guys, I have finished my handstand training, and now I'm gonna show you my second meal. Now I will eat my lunch, which is cotton cheese, salad, and 2 white rolls. It's not a big meal, but gives me energy and it's healthy. So yeah. So, guys, I have eaten my second meal, and now I'm going to Lidl to buy some stuff. And yeah. So after that I'm going home and I will clean my house, and then just chill. They actually have whey protein Lidl. That's so weird. So now I'm gonna put here and then I'm going to pay. So guys, I just got back from Lidl and I found whey protein. That's crazy because I didn't even expect that. So it's really cheap, like 15 euro. That's not bad. And yeah, I will clean my house now and then we'll see you later. Alright, I have finished cleaning the house and I want to show you what supplements I take. So we have creatine, um, vitamin D, B, and magnesium. Just in case if you ask me, and yeah, I will see you. I think before training when I have my third meal before training. So yeah. Okay, so that's my third meal. I have some pistachios. That's my meal before training. Gives me energy. And yeah. So I will see you. I will see you when I go to training. Right, guys. Now I'm going to training. So I will see you at the park. So guys, I'm at the park. I will do a quick warm up and then I will show you my main training. See you then. So guys, I have finished my warm-up set and now I'm gonna do my first set of muscle up. We will see if we can get better with a good form. So you will see now. So I just finished them. They went pretty clean. I'm pretty happy. So yeah, now I'm gonna do high pull-ups for 2 sets, and I will see if I can do with a better technique. So the high pull-ups went okay with better form and I'm pretty confident with them. So now I'm gonna do weighted pull-ups. It's actually very hard after muscle ups and high pull-ups, but we'll see if I can do at least 7 pull-ups with 80 kilograms. Let's go. Okay, so this set went very good. I did 8 reps with 8 kilograms, so that's actually very good. So my phone is gonna die, so I'll do weighted dips and then we'll see at home because my phone is dead. So see you at home. Right guys, I'm home. I did my stretching. I'm so sorry I couldn't record my weighted dips, my last exercise, but my phone had died, so I'm so sorry for that. And now I'm gonna take a shower and then I will show you my fourth meal, I think. Yeah, my fourth meal. So see you then. So here is my fourth meal, which is Greek yogurt with protein powder and high protein drink. So it helps me to recover better and gives me energy. And I will see you after if I have something to do. What's up guys, I haven't filmed anything since my last meal because I didn't really have anything to show. Right now I'm outside with my friends, Calvin. What's up? And we are just talking and we're just walking around Cabra. And I'm gonna end this vlog here because it's 9:30 and that was my day. I hope you enjoyed and we'll see you next time.
Bye. See ya.
Bye.